Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, Just Dree. I know it's been a minute, but I am going to be showing you guys how I did this beautiful hairstyle on my head. So the first thing that I'm going to do is basically just section off the perimeter of my head because I want that to be individual braids. And then after that, I'm just going to wrap my hair all up and I'm going to braid my hair down. If you would like a tutorial on how I braided my hair, just let me know down below in the comments. But yeah, that's basically what I did right here. Alright, so queens, I did receive this hair from divatress.com. Make sure that you guys go ahead and check them out. I will leave a link to their website in my description box and a discount code as well, and a link to the specific box braids that I did using this video. I received 6 packages from them. 6 packs of hair from them. 6 packages. No, I only received 1 package, but I did receive this package of hair. And it is pre-looped, so that's always good when you're doing crochet braids so that you don't have to hassle with it, you know, and struggle with it. And the hair is 30 inches. So right here I'm just going in with my crochet needle and I'm just weaving it in between my hair, as you guys can see, just like this. I will have a slower version for you guys to check out in this video if you did get lost along the way, but I'm basically just adding it onto my hair, and then I'm going in with the needle and I'm adding piece by piece on each side of the braid. So it might not make sense what I'm talking about, but you'll see in the video. And this is just me. I wanted to do the middle part first because that's the easiest part. The sides, the perimeter of my head is going to take the longest. So this is just how the hair is looking with the braiding pattern that I did use. With the braiding pattern that I used, you can flip it over either side. Like I said, if you guys want a in-depth video on my braiding pattern, just let me know in the comments below. Alright, so this is how the hair looks. Once I'm done, it is really heavy. I used 4 packs, as you guys can see. Like, my head is, neck, everything is just stiff. So I would definitely recommend that you don't use as much and that you do individual braids when you're doing this hairstyle, because the braids are really heavy considering how long they are. Like I said, they are 30 inches. But I am so thankful that I got a chance to work with Divatress. Definitely check out their website. Definitely check out my description box for that discount code and the link to these braids. They're absolutely beautiful. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. I will talk to you guys in the next video. And I love you, I love you, I love you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.